What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here along with Jessie girl. Hi Jessie girl, once again. Good morning. Good morning. So we're over here at the Kauai beach. Wait, no, sorry. The Sheraton. Sheraton at Coconut Beach here in Kapa'a, guys. Jess is gonna pick up some onolicious, which means delicious breakfast, guys. So I'm gonna show you in a few moments, but look at this place, guys. Since tourism is down, it is really slow, guys. My goodness. But check out the sleeping giant over there, guys. The beautiful sleeping giant. Once again, we're over here in the coconut marketplace. Check out all the coconuts. But you know what, guys? I want to fly my drone. Jess, I want to fly my drone through these coconut trees and just let the what do you call that, the obstacle avoidance system do its work while it's following me. I want to test that out, guys. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see that. That would be pretty cool, right, Jess? What do you think?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, Jess, I think our food is ready. You want to go pick it up, baby?
I don't
Yeah.
know.
All right, guys. Hope you guys are having an excellent day. We're gonna start off with some food and then clean an office, and then you know what, guys, we got the scooters in the back, guys. There's my jacket, but there it is, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. Got the GoPro, got the drone over there. Also, we are ready to have some fun, guys. Ready to have some fun today. Hope the weather holds up. We're gonna head on over to the Poipu area, which is the sunny side, right, Jess? Sunny side, and you know what, we are confident that it will be okay over there. The weather will be all right, guys, and we'll have lunch over there, and we're gonna bring you guys along also. All right, guys. And there she is, guys. Woo! And there she is. She got some breakfast. Good old, oh my God, honey bunny. Good old hotel breakfast. That's what I'm trying to say. Some good old hotel breakfast action, guys. Holy moly. And we got some coffee, some Kauai coffee. Some fresh grounded nut drip coffee, guys.
Drip. You're grounded.
Yeah, you are grounded.
How are you gonna
baby.
be grounded?
My goodness.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yes. What is that for?
What is that for? Show them what we're working with.
Oh my goodness, you had to show it.
Of course, we gotta eat it.
What the hell is this?
This is show them what we're working with. Show them what we're working with, guys.
There's a loco moco.
We got the loco moco action.
Oh my God, I can't even open it.
Are you okay, Jess? You okay?
It's,
There you go. Whoa! Woo! Hold on. Hold on. Show, honey bunny. Show. We'll take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Let's show the other one now.
oh my goodness.
Yes. We're going to show the other one too, guys, because it is... Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. You should lay it out here, honey bunny. Here. Put your phone right there yet for now.
Oh my God, it's really...
Really hard, honey bunny. Woo!
Oh my God, what is that?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, we'll do an Instagram thing. Okay, bye. what is that?
It's a coffee.
Holy camole, guys.
So
Check it out.
beautiful.
That is nice. Very nice, Jess. Good job. Good job. So again, guys, we got it over there at oh, it's raining now, guys. We gotta get in. It's gonna rain. It's raining actually. Hope the rain stops, guys. Hi Jess! What's up guys? I know it's a little windy. I'm filming with my cell phone LG V60 thing Q5G, guys. And you know what? We're over here in Poipu. I'm gonna just cruise with the scooter. We got the GoPro right over there. And then I got the 360 on deck, on my head actually. We got the beautiful Jessie girl. Hi Jess! You ready to go cruise? Alright, we're off. Let's go, guys. Alright guys, so yeah, we're over here at Poipu Beach, just relaxing guys. Scooters are over there. Beautiful Jessie girl right over there. Check it out guys. Beautiful Poipu Beach. Look at that. Woo, it's so windy today. I don't think I can fly the drone. I mean, my drone will be able to do it, but I think it's better to just not fly it. There's a turtle way over there. One turtle. I can see one turtle just relaxing. Whew. I'm still full though. Nice chicken. Wow, handsome chicken.
Oh, wow.